Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to Just Sophia. So, guys, everyone can agree with me that times are hard. So now, because times are hard, we are supposed to look for ways in which you can save a coin. If there are things that you can do by yourself at home, just do them to make sure that you don't spend a lot of money buying the things that you can make from the comfort of your home. Yeah. So today we are going to make a liquid multi-purpose soap detergent. So this soap, you can use it to wash your clothes, to wash the floor, to wash the toilet. You can use it to wash utensils. Like, it is multi-purpose. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, motherhood, and anything just that will make your life better and save you a coin. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let us get started. So guys, we have our ingredients here. There are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now these ingredients come labeled. Even me, don't worry. We have our 10 liters of water, because we are making the ingredients are for making 10 liters of liquid detergent. Sorry. So we have 10 liters of water, and then we have this bucket, and this is for stirring. So guys, even me, I wasn't good in chemistry, please. So you don't even need any knowledge. You don't need to be knowledgeable in what, in chemicals, for you to be able to make this soap. In fact, they come labeled. The people that sell these things to you, they will label them to you for you. And then like, it's a very easy procedure, because what you need to do, you just need to remove this is the color. So now we have the color and the perfume, but now I didn't get the perfume. If you want, you can get the perfume. But now, so all the ingredients, you mix them together, yeah, as the first procedure. But now, except the color and the perfume, this will be the last one, when the whole thing has come together. So now this is number one. I don't know, I will write the ingredients in the description box, but for now, just know that this is number one, ingredient number one, which you will pour in your bucket. This is number two, which again you will pour in your bucket. Number three. And then this is number 4 and 5, which again you will pour in the bucket. So this is number 5, which again you pour. And then now, guys, the next procedure is to start stirring the mixture using your stirring stick until it is consistent. So this thing that tastes, that is it taste, or that looks like salt, you're supposed to crush it until you cannot feel the whatever, the crunchiness,
Crystals.
the crystals, until you cannot feel them, right? So that is what we are going to. I think this is actually the hardest part, the mixing. You need to have eaten ugali for you to be able to do this. You need energy. And by the way, it has a like a strong smell. So if you are someone who is allergic to strong smells, you should wear a mask. Personally, I just do it with my nose outside, with my bare nose. So this is how our mixture is looking like, guys. So what you are going to do from this point is to be adding a little bit of water as you continue stirring. So from your 10 liters of water, you'll pouring a little bit of it as you continue stirring until it is over. So guys, I continue pouring as I stir it, and I think it's now like the crystals are no longer. I can't feel them anymore. So I'm just going to pour the whole of this water now. You can see our soap is coming along. It's coming along so well. So I'll just continue stirring and stirring and stirring until imechanganyika vizuri. Until it is what? What is the right English word? Until it is well mixed. Consistent. Until it is consistent. Actually, as you continue stirring, you can even feel it is becoming heavier on the stirring stick. So that means the soap is forming really well. Take a breather and continue. So guys, you can see how we are faring on with our soap. It is done. It is done. This is the last stage now. When you stir it, you can feel that it doesn't have any crystals down there. So that is how you know that it is ready. So now the last stage is to add the color. If we had the perfume, we would have added the color and then the perfume. But now, like I said, we don't have the perfume, so we are just going to add the color. So I chose color green. And then now you continue stirring so that it can mix up well and be consistent even in the color. Woo! Take some water, continue. I think that's it. You can see how it has given us a nice green color. So now you're going to it is not a nice green color. So now guys, you can continue stirring until you get, a nice consistency. But now, for the purpose of the video, I think up to this point, you know what to do. So now after stirring and after wherever the whole thing has mixed and given you the consistent color, you can now let it sit and do what? Rest for some time so that these the bubbles can settle down, and then now you'll have your soap. So you can take the soap and then now pour it in different containers. You take one to the bathroom, one to the kitchen, one to the, I don't know, the different areas of the home where you'll be using it. This is a multi-purpose soap, guys. But there I bought the whole ingredients at 300 bob, 300 Kenya shillings. That is $3, almost two for 10 liters. 10 liters, 300 shillings. That is less than $3. 10 liters, Noella. I bought them at 10. I bought 10 liters for 300 bob. What are you saying? So I bought 300 shillings for 10 liters, but you can buy whichever liters that you want, the sizes that you want. We also have 5 liters, 10 liters, you can buy for 20 liters, like that. Now, depending on the quantity that you are interested in. So now my 10 liters serves me for like 2 months, so like 5 liters per month. You see, at 300 shillings, you get soap that will serve your whole family of 5, family of 8 for a whole 2 months. Isn't that cost effective? Yeah. So now I hope you try it. If you have tried it, please comment down below and let me know if you have ever made this soap. If you haven't, please go and try it and let us know how it goes. If you like it, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and see you in the next video. Bye.